Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something super fun. I'm going to do kind of like a first impressions, not a full-on review because it is a skincare product. I don't like to do review videos on skincare products that I haven't been able to actually use for a good amount of time, just because I feel like stuff like that kind of takes a little bit more time to figure out if you actually like it or not. So I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the new Tatcha Rice Wash. I'm super duper excited about this one. I'm obsessed with the brand Tatcha. I love their rice powder. Oh my gosh, what else is it called? I love their dewy skin night concentrate, the little like jelly type stuff. It's like the toner that they have. Basically everything from Tatcha is amazing. So I'm so flipping excited to try this one out. I got it from Influencer, and it is basically like a full-size container. It's called the Rice Wash. It's a soft cream cleanser. It's for normal to dry skin. This purifying daily cream cleanser transforms into a gentle foam that washes away impurities without stripping the skin. So I'm really, really excited about this one. It says that it has Japanese rice extract, which softens and boosts luminosity, hyaluronic acid and ceramide-rich algae hydrate, and pH neutral amino acid base gently cleanses. Really, really happy that this has hyaluronic acid in it because hyaluronic acid is literally my favorite thing ever. Okay, so it's like the end of the day and I'm really tired from work, so I'm really excited to just kind of like wash my face off, even though I really enjoyed this makeup today. So before I like full on wash my face, I'm going to go ahead and take my eye makeup off, which I always just use like regular old coconut oil to do. So while I'm doing this, this is, let me see, it's a 4 fluid ounce container of this, which I looked it up online, and a bottle this size is normally $35. Like I said, this is not released yet. This is coming soon is what the website says. So you can get this one soon. The little description on the back says, for centuries, Japanese women included rice as an essential part of their daily diet and beauty ritual for clear, bright, and dewy skin. It was customary to use the milky water from the first wash of rice to soften, smooth, and moisturize the face, body, and hair. Interesting. I'll just have to open it. Oh, come on. It's got such good ingredients and it's high price tag. They gotta package it real good. Okay, we got it. This is what the bottle looks like right here. Love Tatcha's packaging all the time. I love the purple with the gold writing. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so basically what I'm understanding is you just kind of add a little bit of water on your hands with this, and it kind of like turns into kind of like a foamy type of thing. I don't know, we're gonna try it. So it just kind of pops open like that, except I need to open the little tabby thing. Okay, so the smell, if you're familiar with any of Tatcha's products, it's that same smell. It's not any different. It has like, I don't know how to describe it, like herby kind of smell. Usually something that I've always noticed across like all Tatcha products is a little bit goes a long way, especially with like that price tag. It's a little like, woo, but knowing that just a little bit goes a long way, it's not that bad. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Probably like that much just to start off. And I'm gonna wet my hands real quick. Give me 1 sec. Preston just asked if I'm done filming. Been in here for 8 minutes. It feels really good. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting dry as I'm doing this. This would be so much easier just in the bathroom. It's fine. We're making it work. And then I'm just going to wipe it with a damp cloth. I just want to point out now that like I have no makeup on and I feel like my earrings are really popping out right now. Preston and I went to Gatlinburg at the beginning of July. We socially distanced, don't worry, we were safe. But while we were there, we went to this store called Earthbound Trading Company, and I got these cool little earrings and I'm obsessed with them. This part is just like the back, and it's just like a regular like stud kind of earring that goes right through and it connects to here. But they're so neat. I've been wearing them all the time. Alright, so at this point I'll just follow up with like all my skincare stuff. I'm gonna do it off camera though, just because I didn't want to turn this like into a full-on skincare routine type of thing. I just wanted to focus on the Tatcha. But my skin feels very like soft right now. Like it's not there's certain cleansers that you can use, and when you're done, your skin literally feels like it's like being like pulled like this. So this is definitely not doing that. It feels really, really nice. It got everything off, which is great. Plus I just fully trust Tatcha products. Like everything that I've ever tried from them is just absolutely amazing. So I know for sure that this is about to be the same. Okay, so like I said, I don't know when this is like officially supposed to be released. This is going to be $35, and that is for a 4.2 fluid ounce, which this one is 4. So I guess $35 would be just like a smidge bigger than this, I guess. Let me see. Yep, it says coming soon. Blah, blah, blah. Let me see. Okay, instant results. 96% agreed that skin feels balanced. I do feel like my skin feels balanced. It feels quite good. Let me see. Japanese rice powder softens the skin and boosts luminosity. After 1 week, 100% agreed skin has a healthy glow, and 96% agreed that their skin looked clarified and luminous. Hyaluronic acid and Okinawa algae blend plump skin with hydration. After 6 hours, clinically proven to boost skin hydration on average of up to 39%. So I'm really excited. Like I said, this is only going to be like a first impression because I can't thoroughly do like a full-on review on a skincare product that I'm just trying now. But I will definitely tell you guys about this later. I actually am going to do, I think, a full-on Tatcha video because I do love Tatcha so much, and I have so many like empties that I've just been saving for like one big video. So I will kind of give you guys like a little update on this because I'm definitely going to be using this. The one thing that I did notice was that it didn't like foam, but I'm also wondering if that's just because I like had to run to the bathroom to wet my hands. It might be something that like when I'm using it in the shower and it's like damp everywhere that it might kind of foam up a little bit more. It's just really hard to wash my face, not in the bathroom. So yeah, some other like Tatcha products that I know are just gonna be amazing. The Essence, that's the toner that I was talking about. That's amazing. I love that one. The Dewy Skin Cream is really good, which again, I don't want to like sit here and go through all of the amazing Tatcha products because I want to leave that to another video. But yeah, first impressions of this product, very good. A lot of the times with like certain cleansers, I'll wash my face and then immediately after I'm like, I need lotion, like someone give me lotion, because literally like through here and like through here specifically, I can feel like if I move my face, it gets not crunchy, but it literally feels like slick, like it's, you know what I'm talking about. You felt that feeling and it's not good. This is not doing that to me so far. So that's really nice. Although of course I have skincare, so I am going to do moisturizer, but this doesn't make it feel like I need it. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much all that I really have to say about this one. I'm really, really excited that I got this before it was even released. That was like super, super exciting to me. But like I said, keep an eye out for a Tatcha, like full-on Tatcha video in the future, because I have literally, I hope you can see it a little bit. There's a box right there that has like so many Tatcha things and so many tanning products. So I have many video ideas. I'm trying to be better on Instagram. That's been like my big goal lately, is just to kind of like up my Instagram game, while also kind of like sprinkling in some YouTube. So keep an eye out for future Tatcha videos, because I definitely will be filming that soonish. So alright guys, so I think that is basically it for my first impressions. First impressions are very good of this product. Alrighty guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button down below and to comment. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll know when I actually post videos. I think that's all that I have to say. I hope you guys have a great day, great night, whatever time of day it is where you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!